Hey everyone, welcome. Today's Friday, February 26th, another live trading session. ETSY, I'm looking for a long. I got a fill to 24.58. Here is the breakout. I already took 1,000 shares partial to 26.43. I will try and be more patient with the rest of my size. And I sold everything at 230.16, $6 above my entry. That was a very good trade, $7,000 out of 2,000 shares. Also RCL, I'm looking for a short. The daily chart looks parabolic. We already had the first red day yesterday, so I'm looking for more retracement today. So I'm entering 91.99, just below the round number. Here is the washout, looking to take a partial, 91.48. I got a slippage there. I wanted to take my partial at 91. That was a bad fill. It's okay, I'm still short 3,000 shares. CCIV, I'm looking to long this one for the bounce. 31.13 is my entry. Sorry, 31.36 is my entry, 5,000 shares. And here is the breakout. I'm going to take a partial. RCL, looking to add here. I added 92.18. CCIV looking great. Took a partial at 32.32, 3,000 shares. Paid myself $2,800. RCL, I added one more time at 91.27. CCIV now is dropping. VST, I will enter short here at 18.67. I got a fill at 18.63. CCIV looks heavy. I think I will cut it to protect my profits. ETSY, I added here on the breakout level. RCL is going against me now. My stop is at the high of day. I added at 92.48 on RCL. My average is 92.06. And RCL, here is the drop I was expecting. Now it's looking good. Etsy is looking heavy though. I might have to cut it here to protect my day's profit. It's already red, ETSY. And CCIV, I got out with some slippage. I made $1,700 on CCIV. ETSY, I cut the loss at 13,000. And I'm reverting to short. So I'm entering short at 225, 224. I'm trying to build a position here. The reason I'm doing that is because it rejected the breakout and the gap up is at resistance, so it can go much lower. That's why I want to be short now in ETSY. Trying to build a position below the VWAP. RCL is still below my stop. I'm risking around $50,000 on RCL. but I'm planning to make 100,000, double what I'm risking. So I really believe in this setup. Let's see if it will work. Now ETSY is dropping. It's doing exactly what I expected, retested VWAP, and now drops again. Let's see if we break the opening price at 220. I took a partial to 21.89 just to pay myself. I took another partial to 21.01. Realized $11,000 so far on ETSY. I was trading live on Zoom on Friday, calling these trades to my students. This is a recorded video and I'm doing a voiceover. It's 3 times faster than normal. That's why you see everything moving so fast. RCL is dropping, is losing VWAP now, lower high. I'm green on RCL now. Wow, ETSY, $48,000 unrealized profit so far. It's doing amazing. Again, my target is 2 times my risk, so I'm looking for 100,000 on ETSY. VST, I cut it here. I made 15 cents. I didn't like the slow move, so I want to focus on ETSY and RCL. Wow, RCL, I took a partial here, 5,000 shares, 91.64, paying myself. ETSY, I covered 2,000 shares more. ETSY, I covered some more at 214.02. I'm left with 4,000 shares. Almost $90,000 profit on ETSY so far. It's approaching my target. Now RCL is testing the lows. I took another partial 91.37 and I took everything for a total profit of 22,000. That was by accident. I wasn't planning to take everything. I wanted to take a partial, but it was a fat finger mistake. So that was a great trade. I should have held more, but by accident I covered everything on RCL. Now I'm focusing on ETSY. It's looking great, $90,000 unrealized profit so far. Small bounce now. Look at the daily chart. The gap up was at resistance. It also tried to break out intraday at 939, 938, but it couldn't do it. It reverted, it lost the VWAP, lower high below VWAP. That's the place to start the short if you want to fade this gap up. Right after this small bounce, ETSY starting to retrace back to test the lows at 212.50. Here is the drop. Looking for some more. I took another partial to 12.85 at the lows. 70,000 realized. I don't like this bounce though. It might be a double bottom here. Look at RCL. Look at the drop on RCL. I left so much money on the table because of that fat finger mistake when I covered everything instead taking a partial. Now ETSY, I'm thinking it wants to bounce here, so I'm cutting everything at 214.24. Total profit for the day, $103,000 out of 5 trades, 4 winners, 1 loser. If you guys want to chat with me, if you have any questions, visit my Instagram at Stocklog. I will share the link below and you can ask me anything you want. Just send me a direct message.